guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to finally be unboxing the holiday gift sets from Chanel. I've picked up 3 of the sets. There are 6 sets that are currently available. I'll go over which ones. These are for the US. You will have some of these sets in other territories like the UK, Canada, and Europe. There may be some variations as well. So I'll post all of those links for the sets in those territories plus the US when they're available. If you're in Canada, the UK, Europe, your sets are already available for sale online. And actually, I want to show you the Chamelia for this year. If you have not seen it yet, it is white and gold and it's like a white tweed. It's still a paper camellia. It's quite sturdy to the touch, but if you were to, examine it, you'll see that it is that hard stock paper, and then the Chanel on it is gold. It's really pretty if you collect these. They also have really nice ribbon this year. It's a pretty close match for what the bags look like. And here is what one of this gift sets looks like wrapped. Now they do have wrapping paper this year. When I went to my essay, they didn't have it in quite yet because I literally bought these like the moment that they were allowed to be sold. So they didn't have everything in stock. Luckily they did have the ribbon and the camellia. And then she did include something else that was really cute of her to include. They didn't have any of the charms quite yet, but there will be charms if that is something that you love to collect. She gave me something else which I thought was so adorable. I think this was probably part of the perfume launch that they had earlier this year for the Chanel No. 5 perfume, but it's just this really cute little Chanel No. 5 keychain, and I thought that was adorable, so I was really happy that she gifted it to me. So I'm going to start with the larger of the gift sets. There are 2 different size gift sets this year, so we only have one style of bag. Usually we have 2 different colors. This year I know a lot of people were disappointed with just the one, but I was excited to see that we did have 2 different sizes for the gift bags. So the first one is a skincare set. This one is called Bases Covered. And this is going to include the La Mousse and the Hydra Beauty Micro Cream, which are 2 things that I really like. So here is the big sized one. And it is a white fluffy material. It is made out of a textured tweed. It kind of has like a basket weave to it, if you can see that. And then here on the side, we have an adorable little snowflake keychain, which I think is really cute. If you can tell, there are a lot of interlocking CCs for the Chanel logo making up the snowflake. So I think it's a really cute detail. I know that a lot of people were not really happy with the addition of the Beauté under the Chanel, but I still think like if you are trying to make a bag out of these, you can get really creative with it still. Maybe find a way to take that off or cover it up with something cute. But I think especially with the 2 sizes and this larger size, it would be really nice to maybe make these into bags. And let's open up the gift set. So inside it comes just like that. You have the Hydra Beauty Micro Cream, which I'm really excited to try. I haven't tried this one. It is 1.7 ounces, so it's a full size micro cream. It comes with a little spatula and all the information on this little booklet. And then the cream looks like this. And then the other thing that's included in this gift set is the La Mousse. This is a really nice cleanser. I really enjoyed it a lot. I got this cleanser in a gift set 2 years ago. It was the one that came with the foaming cleanser and the La Mousse cleanser. This cleanser lasted me pretty much the whole year. I do tend to switch up cleansers every once in a while, but I was mainly using this one. It lasts a very, very long time, and it's really nice to remove the makeup and everything like that. So I'm happy that they included this cleanser in a gift set this year because they didn't last year, and I was a little disappointed in that. No, I really like this larger size pouch. I think it would make an excellent travel size pouch, especially when you're traveling with like toiletries. Maybe you're packing shampoo and conditioner. That would fit inside of this. Not like a mega huge bottle, but let me grab one so that I can show you. So here I have my Redken shampoo that I use, and I'm just going to put it inside of the bag. Let me take out the cleanser box. But as you can see, it is going to be a perfect fit, and there's plenty of room to spare inside of there. So if you are somebody like me that you actually do use these for like travel pouches, this one is an excellent size. So then I also got two more sets. I got the Maximum Brilliance lip gloss set and the Moisture to Go set. I'm going to open this set next, and this one is nicely wrapped with the ribbon. I actually got these on two separate trips. Because they kind of like release them a bit staggered for some reason, and there are going to be some sets that are going to be released later for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and then there is a surprise set in December. I have seen the surprise set already on some people's YouTube videos, so I don't know what that's about. I know that in previous years they've kind of been a little bit early with their releases, so we'll see if that happens again. But this is the Moisture to Go set. It does come in the smaller size. Again, you have the snowflake keychain there, and I'm just going to show you last year's size. So last year's size is the same size as this year's small size. This is the size that we're used to getting, so if you've bought them in past years, you've transform them into bags or use them for traveling, you'll know what fits in here. But again, this is one of last year's bags. Let's go ahead and open this one up and pull out what's inside. So again, this is the Moisture to Go, Moisture on the Go gift set, and you get the hand cream, a full-size hand cream, and then you also get the lip balm in the shade Dreamy White. Now this is going to be the clear lip balm, so there's no pigment or anything like that to it. The final gift set, like I mentioned earlier, is the Maximum Brilliance lip gloss set. Now all of these sets have names on the boxes, but the names online are different, so I'm going to put those all again in the description box below so that you can make sure to get the gift set that you really, really want. Online, I believe this is called the Rouge Cocoa Gloss Trio. Again, there is the really, really pretty zipper pull. I think that's so nice. I know I think some people were commenting that it was going to be cheesy, but I really, really like it, especially because they're meant to be like holiday winter gift sets. I think it's so cute, and I do like the fluffy bag. That's another thing that I've seen people on like my TikTok comment that they didn't really like, that it was fluffy, but I don't know. I think it's perfect. It's like snowy. It's a wintry feeling. I do really, really like it. And then again, this one is the lip gloss trio. So you do get 3 lip glosses, and the colors from left to right are Bourgeoisie, Melted Honey, and Icing. Now this icing is a new addition. It used to be Noche Moscata. I'm going to swatch these for you because they are more on like the sheer side, and they do usually have a very nice sparkle to them. This is going to be your darkest one, and I'll put them on my lips. I think that would be perfect without any lipstick. Let's do Icing next. And this is going to be your clearest gloss. And then the next color is Melted Honey. I know this one is very popular because it's very pretty with the gold sparkles, but it is somewhat sheer. Bourgeoisie is going to be the one that has the most pigmentation, so if you were to wear a gloss on its own that you wanted to add a little color, that would be your best option. The other two would look really nice over some lipstick. So the sets that are supposed to come later for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and as like a surprise, the first one is Active Beauty. This is going to come with the hand cream, I believe the larger bag, the sunscreen, and the essence mist. So if you're looking for that set, just make sure to text your SA that you're really interested in it. The other 2 sets that are supposed to come for Black Friday and Cyber Monday are High Points. This set is going to be in the smaller makeup bag. This is supposed to include Rouge Cocoa Bomb, I believe in the color My Rose. In the last video, I think I said not Natural Charm. That's not correct. It's My Rose. And it's going to have the Balm Essential and the mascara as well. And then after that is the Look Sharp set. Now this set I have seen other people unboxing it. So it's a little bit, I'm not really sure if it is actually going to be released as a Cyber Monday set or if they're going to release it earlier. Your SA may already have it and may get permission to sell it to you. So if that's something that you're looking for, just, you know, text them, tell them you're interested. But this is a set that's going to come with the little Chanel mirror in black, the mascara, and an eyeliner as well. Like I mentioned at the start of this video, all the links are going to be in this description box below. If you're in Canada, the UK, and Europe, your sets are already available for sale, so make sure you check those descriptions below. I expect the US sets to be very, very soon, maybe even by the time I post this video, but keep an eye on my community tab because that is where I post all updates, and I post the sets as soon as I see them in stock or available online. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really, really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys!